This question was emailed to me. Find an equation for the third-degree polynomial with rational coefficients that has root x equals root 7, x equals -6, and p of 0, that is y-intercept, is -168. Multiply the polynomial out fully, so it is in standard form. And the standard form, of course, means that some p of x equals some a x to the third plus bx plus bx to the second plus cx plus d. So for a third-degree polynomial, that is the standard form. Let's go to the next page. We are given x equal to 7, comma, x equal -6, and y-intercept, or p of 0, equals -168. So at the first glance, you think that this is a really tough problem, a long one, but not so if you remember the days that you learned about square roots. Remember that if you said x squared equals 100, then x equals plus and minus 10. They always come in conjugate. Well, what is a cubic function? A cubic function is, so x cubed is x times x to the second. So a p of x of third degree does contain in it a quadratic. And so if in this case, if x equals root 7, then x must also equal negative square root of 7. They always come in conjugate. So let me clean this up. So here, the factor that I can get out of x equal square root of 7, so x equal root 7 tells me that x minus root 7 is a factor. X equal negative root 7 tells me that x plus root 7 is a factor. And x equals -6 tells me that x plus 6 is a factor. So I'm going to use these three factors and put them in standard form. Now going to the next page, I know that p of x must equal some a, and I'm going to have three factors here. We said that the three factors were x minus root 7, x plus root 7, and x plus 6. And so we also know that p of 0 is -168. So when this is 0, this is 0, and this is 0, I have 168 on the left-hand side. So a times negative root 7 times positive root 7 times 6. Okay. So 168 equals a times negative times positive is negative. Root 7 times root 7 is 7, times 6 is 42. Divide both sides by -42, and you get a equal, oh, this was, I apologize, this was -168. So a equals +4. Now, okay, so I'm going to use this. Going to the next page, I'm going to say that p of x equals 4 times x minus root 7, x plus root 7, x plus 6. And the question asked us, the direction was to multiply this out. So first I'm going to start with this two, which is the difference of two squares. It's easiest for me. So p of x equals 4 times x squared minus 7 times x plus 6. So p of x equals 4 times x cubed plus 6x to the second minus 7x minus 42. And finally, p of x equal 4x cubed plus 24x to the second minus 28x minus 168. Maybe minus 168. Okay, thanks. I'll be talking to you soon.